Hi, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to search for peer-reviewed academic articles using the library's ONESearch function. So you start by typing in your search terms, click search. This is of course in the library tab of My Red Dragon. And when this comes up, you're going to be prompted to log in. You don't actually have to log in again, you just have to click the My Red Dragon ID. All right, here it is, it'll often pulse twice. There you are, click that. And then when you get your results, if you look to the left, you see this one that says peer-reviewed journals? Click on it. And that way you're sure that all the articles that you're getting are from peer-reviewed academic journals. Now, I would advise hovering over this with your cursor and clicking the little lock symbol, because that will keep it for the rest of your search. If you don't do that, it will lose that filter every time you search for something else. I would also advise clicking Expand My Results. If you don't, it only searches what we have available through SUNY Cortland. If you expand your results, then you're able to order things through Interlibrary Loan or ILL. You might also want to change the publication date. You can narrow this down. You probably don't want articles from 1900 unless it's a history of science paper. So you could say 2015, for instance. Click Refine. And then you can also set the lock on that as well. All right, good luck and have fun.